Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. We are doing well and are in good health by God's grace. My mom's sister had sent me this tapioca which is completely organic, which was grown in their farm. These tapiocas taste amazing. I took a few and peeled off the skin. Now I have recipes done with tapioca in many of my vlogs. This time prepared it simple. Cut in big chunks and cooked in pressure cooker, adding enough water with some salt. We do have a chutney using shallots and green chilies. Crush them and mix some coconut oil and salt. Very simple, yet the best combination to tapioca with a cup of hot coffee. This time I didn't have shallots at home, so I prepared a simple coconut chutney. Once the tapioca is cooked for 3 or 4 whistles at a medium flame, turn off the heat, and when all the pressure is released, drain the tapioca pieces. It's lovely to sit outside, enjoying the weather with nature and sip your tea or coffee. The most beautiful thing I found here is the lovely chirping sound of the birds. I wake up in the morning to the chirping sound and it's very relaxing to the mind. How more beautiful can a morning get? Be it in the morning or evening, I feel it's very much needed for anyone to be with nature to calm the mind and soul. We go through lots of stress and frustrations. A relaxed mind is all what we need at the end. Put away all your work, sit relaxed with the nature, and it automatically calms your mind. Our garden and little farming was done by my in-laws and they have taken care of these really well. We do have a brother coming for help to take care of the garden and we wanted few more plants for our balcony and other. Hence we went over to nurseries near to our location. There are plenty of it. We had gone to several nurseries to check out few hanging plants which we wanted for our balcony and the entrance. Found this variety kind of bamboo and bought this for the balcony. As soon as we came home with the plants, hanged it soon. Few hooks were already drilled earlier. Buying plants wasn't over in a day, it took few days. Don't know why, but we couldn't find much varieties in hanging plants. At last, I used the money plants that I had taken from Ria to hang in few pots in the balcony and at the entrance. If you're following me on Instagram, you would have seen the stories I post on the vegetables grown at home. My parents in laws had taken care of the garden and the vegetable farming. And as I said, we do have a brother who comes every day to water the plants and check around. We have lots of the red and green spinach or the amaranthus. These are fully packed with essential minerals and vitamins and highly nutritious. These are okra, the lady's finger, freshly grown. We in fact get at least few every day. There's one purple one among them and I'll show you in a minute. These are the okra plants over there and it's in a line grown from one end to the other. Not just for the body, it's even fulfilling to our mind when we cook with our homegrown vegetables. There's the purple color okra plant that gives purple okras. This is a simple plant yet very pretty because of the red color below each leaf. We have these flowering bushes growing all over here. That's our well. We have a lawn at the corner as you had seen before. There are foxtail palms planted next to the compound fence. These grow more and it'll take time. All these are real grass and plants. Few of you had asked about the grass growing in between these stones. These are artificial ones. Earlier we had real grass growing, but maintenance of that was a bit challenging. Hence we changed it to the artificial ones, which looks exactly the same. Arranging my kitchen is not yet over. I need more time for that. All my crockeries I had used in Riyadh are coming in cargo, which I guess will take some more time to arrive. Maybe by mid of January. And for the time being, I don't want to buy anything extra. Only after arranging all the stuff in the cargo, I'll be going for a shopping if needed. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, do give a thumbs up like I always say so that I know you loved it. See you with more vlogs from Kerala. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Take care and bye-bye.